It's all about the energy. Let's move our bodies for 10 minutes or so, boost our mood and elevate our energy as we complete our 28-day everyday energy challenge. We're just beginning with a slow, steady march, just to reinforce how simple movements done gently, but with real attention and focus, can help us to build remarkable strength, balance, mobility, and so much more. Particularly this incredible discipline and consistency that we've built over the last 28 days. Okay, simple, gentle twist. Wake up our bodies. Build mobility in the spine. It's about the consistency. Doesn't take superhuman effort. Although it can feel like it sometimes just to show up consistently every day. But it is that consistency that will allow us to move through our days with strength and ease, continue to show up for ourselves so that we can live with amazing energy each and every day and live healthfully until we're 120. Take that simple stretch and let's just reach it. Bring your heel up off the ground. Float that arm across your body. Feel the strength in your shoulders, in your upper back. Breathe into this movement. Out. Breathe in and out. We can connect to our breath with each and every exercise, each and every movement throughout our day, building that presence and awareness so that we live in this moment and try to avoid distractions and focusing too much on a future we can't control and a past we cannot change. Okay. I'm going to take that early march and now twist into it. Great balancing exercise, but move around your space also. Let's get the heart rate up a bit. We're increasing our stamina, cardiovascular endurance. So you can move with a little bit more pace around. Bringing that leg up nice and high. Increasing our hip mobility. Oh, look up, head up high, and start to really move. Feel that inner energy that you're building. Whoa. Okay, now we can slow it down also. Get a nice solid footing. Just reach your arms up, look up to the sky, and push down. Breathe in and out. Real full body dynamic movement. Connecting to your breath. Building strength. Oh, and so much more. It really is all about the energy. Moving our bodies so that we're energized. We can get more done. Sometimes that doing is non-doing. One more here. Now, widen your stance a bit, point your toes out. We're gonna come into a sumo squat. Reach your arms up again and come on down. Sumo sun. Make a sun up over your head and come on down. You could breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Go as low as you can. Reach those arms up as high as possible. Really connect to your breath in this movement. One conscious breath can make all the difference and really build our energy. Help us to avoid reacting, overreacting to situations so that we're more likely to respond when we take a conscious breath before an action. Maybe we move with just a bit of pace for the last few here. Last one. Flowing twist. Twist, sink down, rise up and twist. Come on, down. Float your arms. Just be here in awe. Don't forget to smile. You get to move your body today. Go as low as you like, twist as deep as you can. Wherever you're at, it's perfect. We could even just move with just a bit of pace. We'll really build that energy. Okay. Oh, a nice, gentle skip. Up on the balls of your feet. Very playful. When I get to one side, I'm just going to open up. When I come here, I'm going to breathe in. Out. When we're up on the balls of our feet, building core stability and balance. Last one here. Oh, yes. Let's just do a very gentle forward bend and twist to both sides. Bend down and twist. How does that feel in your back now? Hopefully it's nice and loose. You gain some mobility in the spine. Just move as best you can and be in awe of what your body can do. Curious about what it can't. Open to the possibility that you could get a little bit more mobile, a little stronger, a little better balanced if you continue to show up for yourself every day. As we finish this 28-day challenge, you know we're only a few days away from starting another. All the opportunities, all the chances to build on what we've already started. How exciting. Okay. Oh, last one. Wonderful. Let's finish off with real simplicity, but balance. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Reach your arms up nice and high. Float them across your body. Feel the stretch there in your shoulders. Come on up. Be very mindful. Pick a spot. Just give it all your attention and flow. Let's hold the leg up for just a little bit longer. If you stumble, smile. What a great opportunity to start over and try again. One more each side. Okay. Single pointed attention. I'm loving more and more just the simplicity of movement and this simple shift of weight. There's a mobility element, balance, stability, coordination. There's so much going on here in a simple movement. Pick a spot, one of these beautiful trees, give it all your attention, all your awareness, maybe for a minute or so. Let's see if we can avoid distraction. And when we are distracted, to just notice and bring your attention right back to that spot. Let's go. Come on back, shake it out. Well done. Thank you for being here for 28 days. I will see you again tomorrow. We will start again November 1st for another very incredible challenge. It's going to boost mood and energy every day and so much more. I am truly grateful to you. Thank you for being here. I will see you tomorrow.